Welcome to Computer Studies for JSS 2. Today we learn about Scratch programming, how to create simple programs using Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a free, visual programming language and online community developed by the MIT Media Lab. It uses colorful, interlocking blocks instead of typed code, making it ideal for beginners and young learners. You can access Scratch at scratch.mit.edu. It works in any web browser, including on a smartphone. Why Scratch? Scratch teaches programming logic, loops, conditions, events, variables, without worrying about typing syntax errors. Skills learned in Scratch transfer directly to professional languages like Python and JavaScript. Many students across Nigeria, Africa, and the world learn their first programming concepts in Scratch. The Scratch interface. Stage, the white area on the right where your program plays out. It is 480 by 360 units. The center is 0, 0. X increases going right, Y increases going up. Sprite panel, below the stage, shows all sprites, characters and objects in your project. The default sprite is a cat. Block palette, the colored blocks panel on the left, organized by category. Script area, or code area, the large gray area in the middle where you build your program by dragging and dropping blocks. Green flag, click to start your program. Red stop sign, click to stop your program. Block categories. Motion, dark blue moves and rotates sprites. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, go to X, 0, Y, 0, glide to position. Looks, purple changes appearance. Say hello for 2 seconds, shows speech bubble, switch costume, change size. Sound, pink play sounds. Play sound meow, stop all sounds. Events, yellow triggers and starting conditions. When green flag clicked, when key pressed, when sprite clicked. Control, orange loops and conditionals. Wait 1 second, repeat 10, forever loop, if then else, stop. Sensing, light blue detects conditions. Touching color. Mouse button pressed. Ask and wait, user input. Operators, green mathematical and logical operations. Addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, times, division, divided by, modulo, remainder, equals symbol, greater than sign, less than sign, and, or, not. Variables, orange stores data. Make a variable, e.g. score, set score to 0, change score by 1. My blocks, create custom blocks, like functions in other languages. Building a simple program, making a sprite move. 1. Click the events category, drag the block when green flag, click to the script area. 2. Click the motion category, drag move 10 steps and snap it below the green flag block. 3. From control, drag repeat 10 around the move block. 4. Click the green flag, the sprite, a cat, moves 10 steps, 10 times. Building a quiz program. 1. When green flag clicked, events. 2. Ask what is the capital of Nigeria. And wait, sensing. 3. If answer equals Abuja, auth control, if then else plus operators, smiley face. 4. Then, say correct. Well done. For 2 seconds, looks. 5. Else, say wrong. The answer is Abuja. For 2 seconds, looks. Building a score counter. 1. Make a variable called score. 2. When green flag clicked, set score to 0. 3. When sprite is clicked, change score by 1. 4. The score display appears on stage automatically when a variable is created. Key concepts practiced in Scratch. Sequence, blocks snap together in the order they execute. Loops, the repeat block and forever block repeat code, equivalent to iteration. Conditions, if then and if then else blocks, equivalent to selection. Events, programs respond to triggers, green flag, key press, sprite click. Variables, store and change data, score, leaves, player name. Coordinates, sprites have X and Y positions on the stage, introduces Cartesian coordinates. Scratch and computational thinking. Scratch explicitly teaches the 4 pillars of computational thinking. 1. Decomposition, break a big problem into smaller manageable parts. 2. Pattern recognition, identify repeated steps that can be put in a loop. 3. Abstraction, focus on what matters, ignore unnecessary detail. 4. Algorithm design, plan the steps before building the program. Sharing and community. Scratch projects can be saved to your account and shared with the global Scratch community. You can also remix, adapt other people's shared projects to learn from them. Remember, Scratch equals free visual block programming from MIT, scratch.mit.edu. Interface, stage, 480 by 360, center equals 0, 0, sprite panel, block palette, script area, green flag, start, red stop, stop. Block categories, motion, blue, looks, purple, sound, pink, events, yellow, control, orange, loops plus if, sensing, light blue, operators, green, maths plus logic, variables, orange, store data. Key concepts, sequence, blocks in order, loops, repeat, forever, conditions, if then else, events, triggers, variables, score, lives. Computational thinking, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm design. Thank you for studying with us today.